I swear to God, this never used to happen to me.